AutoCAD software. First we'll go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Then go to command is limits. So here you type specify lower left corner by default 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210, say zoom all. Then go to line, select some point on the lower left corner of the sheet or the drawing screen. Click on the first button of the mouse and then drag this to the right side and click on the first button of the mouse. Again, you take the cursor to the up side, click on the first button of the mouse and say enter. So then go to offset, type O. So what is the specify offset distance? It is 297. You type 297 and select this vertical line and offset to the left side. Similarly, specify offset distance, take 210. Enter, select object to offset, you select the horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extends and then zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this line and this line, between this line and this line, between this line and this line. Similarly, go to zoom window, you take nearer to your screen and go to the text. So here you type take the height as 4. Then by default rotation angle is 0. Type 107th problem. So go to an equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm sides lies on one of its sides on HP. The lamina makes 45 degree with HP and one of its medians is inclined at 40 degrees percentage D to VP. Draw its projections. Then you go back to this and here go to zoom window and you go to layer. So click on new, type XY, enter, click on new, type locus, click on new, click views. So here, so go to line weight of layer 0 and set it to 0.05 and say OK. Line weight of XY and set it to 0.13 and say OK. Line weight of locus line, make it 0.05 and say OK. Then line weight of views and go to set it to 0.5 and say OK. And line type of current locus, you click on this, click on load, take dash dot, type D and say OK. And click on dash dot and say OK. That will going to change the line weight of locus. Then once you do that and you close the layer, now we are going to create the drawing. So to do that, first we'll go for a polygon command. Since it is a triangle, you take 3. So a specify edge, you take first edge and you just click on here and type 25 and you will going to get a triangle. Then go to line, draw a horizontal line of some distance and go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a perpendicular to this. Similarly, line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this and then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then go to move, select this and move to the center approximately. Then go to switch on this ortho mode. So click on this and click on this, go to CH, go to layer and make this layer as views. Then escape. Similarly, you switch on this. Then go to copy, select this line and copy in the horizontal direction at some distance and go to rotate. Select this, take on one of its sides, you take this side and type 45 degrees to HP. Then go to line, take end point of this and draw a vertical and take end point of this. Then draw a vertical, then go to line, take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this. Similarly, take INT of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet and select fillet between these two. then go to line, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this, and then intersection point of this. Then go to break, select this line, break this line first for the break point, int, and enter. Then go to break first point, intersection of this, and break it. Then go to ch and go to layer and take this layer as locus. Then fit it. Then click on this, and click on this and this. Go to layer, click on views, and say now we will go for a group command and group this entire drawing. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly, line, you take intersection point of this and draw this. Go to DDIM, go to modify. So go to primary units, take this unit as 2. Then go to text, take it as 4. Aligned with the dimension line. Centered means above, and this distance is 3. And say symbols and arrows. Arrow size is 4. Then go to lines. You take this as offset from the origin as 3. And say OK and say close. Then we want to go for dim horizontal. You take between intersection part of this to intersection part of this, which is 15.31, and then go to dim vertical. So here I will just go for a line command, draw a line from nearest point at the red. So I will take 100 less than 40 degrees to VP, since it is 40 degrees to VP. So here 40 minus 180, so at the rate 100 less than minus 140. So we want to get this line, and then go to dimension horizontal. You select this line and you take this line here, so it will going to be 21.65. so there, go to circle, take nearest point on this and take a radius of 21.65, and go to break this line till here and break this line till there. Then go to trim and select this. Similarly, you just go to line, take intersection point of this and then draw this, and go to circle, take center point of this and take the radius as 15.31, and go to 15.31 and enter. So once you do that, so this will be having a radius of 15.31, and then go to F2. Now we have to go to break. So here we'll just go for a break command. Take break, go to break, select this line, and similarly you select this line and say erase. Then go to copy, then go to erase this line, leave it. Similarly you erase this, and then go to copy, take intersection point of this and take center of this. So here you're going to get this, and go to zoom, window, go to rotate, select this, take intersection int of this, and then go to reference, again int of this, then int of this, then rotation angle int of this. So this is how you are going to place. So this is the break. You are going to have a break here, and go to zoom previous, and then go to move. You select this line and bring it into the screen. And so first I want to draw a line from intersection point of this to perpendicular to this. Similarly, you take intersection point of this and draw a perpendicular to this. Then similarly, you just go to line command, draw a horizontal line, and you take line command, take intersection point or perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, go to line, take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this, and then intersection point of this. then go to break this line. First point, you take int of this, you select this and say at the rate. Similarly, break first point, you take intersection point of this at the rate. So you select this line and this line and this line. Go to layer, you make this as views, and you will going to get this and break this line. So select this side, and this side. So here, go to layer, you make this layer as XY, and similarly, you just click on this, go to layer, and you make this as locus line, and here you take 10 mm. So you will take the line weight as 5, so that you will be able to see this dash dot line. Once you get this, then CH, you have layer, so you have been layer, then go to DDIM, so modify, everything is fine, okay, then go to close, then go to dim vertical, select this line and take this to, so here DDIM, you just go to modify, come down to primary units, make it 0 and say OK and say close. Then go to dim vertical, select this line and you take it 25 here, and dim angular, select between this line and this line, you take 45 degrees. So here you type 45, so you type text, type 45 percentage D and go to percentage, then go to dim DD, text dimension, you select this and keep it 45 degree here. Similarly, dim angular, select between this line and this line, here you take 40 degrees, and again dim angular, select between these two, then you take text, you space enter, so you place it wherever you want, then go to M text, here you take this window and you go to symbol, and you come down to clicks, you take beta, so type small bit, you are going to get beta, then you want to give the naming, so to do that, then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window, then go to break, you select this and break it, then go to dtext, you type caps lock on, type X, type PP, type HP, similarly you type Y, here you have small a, small b, small c, here it is A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, and then go to mode, go to X, switch off the ortho mode and take wherever you want, and similarly BP, similarly HP, and go to Y, then go to move, take A, take B and take C, similarly A dash, then go to B dash, and then go to C dash, then go to copy, take A dash, take C dash here, take B dash, take copy, here it is A, here it is A, take B, you take B and you take B here, and you take C and you take C here and also C here, then go to move, don't go to move, you select this and place it wherever you want, then go to dtext, so here you take A dash, here you take B dash, here you take C dash, then go to move, select this and place it wherever you want, and go to B dash and say C dash. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing of this problem using AutoCAD software. Click on File, Save, click on eDrive, AutoCAD, lamina drawing, and type P107 and save it.